Hello students. Now today we are going to take some numbers containing decimal, because till now we have done the questions in which there was no decimal. So we should know how to calculate the square root of numbers having decimal. So here I have taken one number. Procedure will be same. See, I told we will make the pairs from right side like this. It is without pair, it is alone, but after decimal the here direction will be from right to left, but in case of decimal number direction will be from here to here like this. We will not start from here, it will be started from here. Now see, we want here 6 will not come here, so 2 to the 4 will be taken. 2 to the 4, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Now 2 will be added, 2 plus 2 will be 4. We will take 55 down because that is after decimal, so point will be written here. Now in fourth table, nearest to 25 will be 4 6 are 24. So let us see here, if I take here 6, here also I will take 6, 6 6 are 36, carry 3. 6 4s are 24 plus 3 27, so that is greater than 255. So we will have to move one step or two steps back according to our requirement. So let us see, on 5 if we take, what will come. If I am taking 5, there also we will have to take 5. Now 5 5s are 25, carry 2. 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22. Can we take this one? We can take, because we can subtract. Let us check once more. 5 5s are 25, carry 2. 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22. That is correct. Now 5 minus 5 will be 0. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 2 minus 2 will be 0. Now this last pair of 36 will come down. In this case, in this step we have taken 5, so 5 will be added only. 45 will not be added. Only 5 will be added. So after addition, 45 plus 5 will be 50. Now if you take 5 and here 3, if you take, in 5's table 3 will not come, so we will take 2 digits. In 5's table 30 will come. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30. Because 5 6 are 30 will come, we want here 30, so here we will take 6. Here also will take 6. If you have any doubt whether it will come or not, better you take here, write with pencil, or you can do roughly. Now this 6 into 6, 6 6 are 36, carry 3. 6 zeros are 0, 0 plus 3 will be 3, and 6 5s are 30. So exact number has come. Congratulations. So that's why the square root of 6.5536 will be equal to 2.56. So we have covered all type of questions related to square root. I hope that you understood. So if you understood, you can like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much, students.